All right, y'all, it's Andy at Muscle in the Mountains, and I am here with a gorgeous 1966 Chevelle SS 396 with my friend here, Welmon. How are you, brother?
Doing good.
Awesome, awesome. So how many years have you had this car?
Bought it new, 1966.
Wow. So you actually ordered this car, right?
I did.
Wow. And so you got it in late 65, maybe
Yes.
November, right?
Late November 65.
That's awesome. So you are the only owner, the one owner of this gorgeous machine right here.
Yes, I am.
Awesome. That's fantastic. You don't see that every day, right?
No.
No, I rarely run across somebody who has owned the vehicle its entire life. And that's wonderful. So you have enjoyed this car, I understand.
I have.
So you actually drive this car.
I do often.
Wow.
I mean, it's got 100. See then, how many miles do I have? 120,000.
Wow. That's fantastic. That's you know, I like that about it. I like that this car has 125,000 miles because that means that this car is getting used for what this car was made for, right? And you guys have enjoyed it the entire time. That's fantastic. Let's walk around and look at some of the special parts of this car. All right, well, let's take a look at this this Chevelle. So I love the styling on the 66s.
I do too.
And, you know, obviously you could have bought a 65 or you could have bought, but, you know, the front end on these is just so iconic. You know, I love the way it slants back, you know, almost kind of like, you know, we're going to see in the 68s and 9s. But I noticed that a lot of people have a problem distinguishing between the 66 and 67. And I've never understood that because they're so vastly different cars, right?
They are.
I mean, they have a similar body shape. But the front end and the back end are totally different. Yeah, and so I love this. So you got the 396 turbojet. Now, the first thing I notice here is these are not rally wheels.
No, they're not.
All right, so tell me the story behind these Cragars.
Well, about 2 years after I got the car, and then I put the red lines on it.
Okay.
And this is the second set of red lines.
Wow, and that's the actual Firestone
Yes.
red lines.
The
Nice.
Cragars that are on it.
And so those Cragars were a gift, I understand?
Yes, they were a Christmas gift from my wife.
Awesome. Well, that's great. And you know, I've heard of a lot of people that did that with these cars. They would buy them new and almost immediately change out the wheels to Cragars. That was kind of a thing in the 60s and 70s, right? Everybody wanted to have Cragars on their car. And those look fantastic. Now, did you order them this color?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
And
because, you know, you don't see a lot like that. That's
no,
fantastic.
That was a new fad right there.
Okay.
Okay, with everything inside that.
Yeah, awesome. That's great. Love this. And so you were telling me, is that the original tag?
Well,
for the, you know, a 66 tag.
Okay. Yes. When I got it, the tag had been scratched.
Okay.
And so a guy that about 3 years ago, I kept this tag. Part of it had rusted off on this corner here where the A's at.
Yeah.
And he can restore.
Oh, wow. So you've had this tag completely restored?
Yes.
Wow.
I had it completely restored about 3 years ago.
Okay. Good looking. And I love the
and it is the 66. When you get down there, you can see it.
All right. That's fantastic. Now, I love the styling on the 66 taillights.
I do too.
Totally different from the 67s. You know, you got this little slim and they don't wrap around. So that's awesome. Now, this color, is that Marina blue?
It's Marina blue.
Marina blue. I think that's my favorite of the 66 Chevelle colors. Now, tell me a little bit about this sheet right here. So that's the actual sheet that you got when you bought the car, correct?
Yes.
Wow, 3383.50.
Yep.
Man, what an investment, huh?
Yes.
That's
But
fantastic.
I got it.
And so this is a real, so it come assembled at Atlanta, Georgia. Wow.
Yes.
That's neat. And so this is a 4-speed car.
Yes.
396 4-speed. That's the pinnacle of 66
Yeah,
Chevelles, right?
this is the heavy duty 4-speed you can
Okay.
get.
Can we open her up and take a
Sure.
look? Let's take a look inside. Look at this. The white interior and that marina blue. That is just so beautiful. Awesome. Steering wheel. And 66, you had the ignition on the dash.
Yes.
I think 69 was when they started putting it on the column, right?
Right.
Love that 4-speed. Yeah. Man, that looks
And
fantastic.
it is a heavy duty sport 4-speed for this car.
That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Those seats look fantastic. Now, so this is basically an all original car. You were telling me you have had it painted.
Yes.
But otherwise, I mean, the engine's never been out of it. It's
No.
original everything. Let's open her up and see what we got here. Wow.
It's never been worked on. It's got that many miles on it.
Yeah. That's amazing.
It came with a big chrome breather there.
Awesome. I noticed you've got the original style battery there. That's really
Sure
cool.
have.
Very nice. Very nice. 396, 360 horse.
Right.
Wow. That's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Then it really had the power in it too.
Oh, I guarantee it. Yes, sir. Lots of fun.
Yes.
Very fun car. That's awesome. So I think we need to start this baby up and see what she sounds like. Wow. Nice. So smooth. Starts up so easy. Man, what a car. What do y'all think? Look at that. Wow. Original 66 Chevelle SS with 125,000 miles. She's a driver and she's perfect. That's the way a car ought to be, right there. That's awesome. Awesome. All right, everybody, check out this trunk. This is incredible. It looks great, Welmon.
I think it is.
Yes, sir. Now that's the original spare?
Yes.
Wow.
It's been on the ground 2 times.
Oh. Awesome. That splatter paint. Very cool. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. What a clean ride, brother. All right, let's go for a little ride. Wow. Man, it sounds good. Original 66 Chevelle 396 Super Sport. Bought it brand new, had it all these years. Brother, thank you so much for sharing your car with us. It's been a joy.
It's a joy to let you come and see it.
Thank you so much. We'll talk to you later, brother.
Okay, thank you.
All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video with this amazing ride. If you like that, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about it. Also, tell us what you'd like to see in the future. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. All right? We'll see y'all in the next one. It's right here. Go ahead and click into this right here.